Hello. Alright, well, here we go. This is a very special Card Fever video, one I'm very proud of, and if you're watching this, that means that this is the 1 year anniversary of Card Fever, and this video will be uploaded on August 17th, 2019, and a year ago today was the first day of Card Fever. Got 2 videos that day, if I recall correctly. So, I just want to do something special, and I wanted to find something, I have to do, I know I usually do blaster boxes on the channel, because that's just what's local and what's available a lot of times, but I like to break out a nice hobby box for, Christmas, or my birthday, or, an anniversary like this. So I want to get something special, and we got something special today, and this is Topps Stadium Club 2019 baseball hobby box, fresh off the press. I get 2 hits, 2 on-card autos in every box, and I think you get 128 cards. Yep, 16 packs, 8 cards a pack. Yeah, it's gonna be a fun break. So I'm just gonna cut the chit chat. If you want to look at the I want to bring out the best in the background. So from here on, you have all 6 new Enshrined Hall of Famers, and in the middle we have the recently departed Tyler Skaggs, so R.I.P. to Tyler Skaggs. I want to put him in the centerpiece right there. But you have, Harold Baines and Roy Halladay and Edgar Martinez and Mike Lucina and Mariano Rivera and Lee Smith. So, all the studs. So here we go. Without further ado, let's get cracking. My trusty steed right here. Topps 2019 Stadium Club Baseball. Wow, here we go. Looks like somehow maybe a rat or something kind of gnawed into it first. It's kind of got a little wear and tear, but this is fresh. It's a brand new box. I got this on eBay. I don't know who the seller's name is, but whoever you are, thank you. Okay, here we go. I don't know how to open this. Yeah, like this. Yep. Cool. Oh, I got a box holder. Oh, cool. I didn't know I got that. Okay. Well, that's what we're gonna start with. Is a box holder. Very cool. Very cool surprise. Nice, man. Okay. That's good right there. I'm blocking most of the cards. I did not know I got this. I don't think this is autographed. I can already tell who it is. But very cool. Okay. I've gotten a few of these before. And products. But not in a long time. I'd be as careful as I can with this puppy. And it's a Hall of Famer too. Hall of Famer, oversized box loader. Get it out. Look at that, Ricky Henderson. I think that's Eddie Murray right there too. What a great card. Wow, look at that. Very cool. Ricky Henderson. Okay. Put that off to the background for good luck. All right. Here we go. I'm gonna start from the right and go to the left, and it's grind time, baby. Let's go. Topps 2019 Stadium Club Baseball. So yeah, that's what the card looks like. The top loader is pretty much an oversized base, and this is exactly what it looks like right here. So here's a base of Nick Martini. Very, very nice card. I just love the font, no border, all picture, all photo. Beautiful card. Nick Martini. Second card of the GOAT, Anthony Rizzo. Very cool. Cut. AJ Pollock. Red, I think it's a red border, you want to call that, or red font of Mariano Rivera. Cool. That's a really nice card. Mookie Betts. We play for championships. Nice. Michael Fulmer. John Segura. Cool. One pack down. 15 to go. A lot of these packs are thick. I don't think you get any jersey cards. If I do, that'd be really cool, but I don't think I do. Max Muncy, Brandon Nimmo, Ahmed Rosario, Roy Halladay. Man, two Hall of Fame, 2 packs, 2 of the Hall of Famers just got enshrined. There's Roy Halladay, R.I.P. Adam Jones, Matthew Boyd. That's like a black border, maybe blue. Nomar Mazara. Eric Hosmer. Cool. Looks like you get one of those colored, like, font border cards. Let's see what they are. What are they called? Parallel. Yeah, get one of the parallels every pack. Okay, my favorite baseball player of all time in the back, Roberto Clemente. Cool. Ryan O'Hearn. Didi Gregorius. Showtime. Nice card. Ty Cobb. Harmon Killebrew. Red parallel. Nice. And there's my first auto. On card of Nicholas. I don't know how to say the poor guy's last name. Cufo? 21st pick in the 2013 draft. Oop, oh, great. Catcher for the Rays. There it is. Cool. Archie Bradley. Roberto Clemente. Hank Aaron, the GOAT. David Fletcher. Justin Verlander. Warren Spahn, another GOAT. Jonathan Scoop, or I think that's how you say his last name. Warp Speed insert of Mookie Betts. Not numbered. Cool card. Todd Frazier. Christy Mathewson. Look at that. Tripping. Okay, we're a quarter through. So we have 12 packs to find the second auto. Maybe we'll look out and be a hot box and get like 4 of them, but. Max Scherzer, the best picks in the game. Cedric Mullins. Freddie Freeman. George Springer. Rogers Hornsby. Joey Votto, red parallel. Corey Seager. And Duke Snyder. It looks like we're getting a parallel pack. Insert every 4 packs. And a couple, at least one or two legends packs, which is pretty cool. Trey Mancini. Chris Sale, beautiful card, wow. Edwin Jumbo Diaz. Felix Hernandez. Emperors of the Zone, Nolan Ryan, insert card right there. Don't think it's numbered, no. Orlando Arcia. Johnny Cueto. And Edwin Encarnacion, the Parrot Man. Ender Inciarte, Javi Baez, nice. Brandon Crawford, Kyle Tucker rookie. Another Mookie Betts. This is like a black and white card. I don't know if that's a variation or not. It's cool, very cool card. Miguel Sano, Ian Kinsler. I kind of forgot Ian Kinsler was still around. Lance McCullers Jr. We're rolling. Chris Taylor. Gary Sanchez. Lourdes Gurriel Jr. JT Realmuto. Patrick Wisdom. Oh, I thought I was an auto. I was gonna start crying. Mike Trout, Power Zone. Rookie, insert card, excuse me. I'm all riled up. Johnny Lester. And Moose. Okay, halfway there. Halfway there, living on a prayer. Frank the Big Hurt Thomas. Strong Castro, the Goat Cub. Ricky Henderson. The Box Topper. Mini version though. Luis Urias. Ryan Zimmerman. Here's a Yohan Moncada. Red parallel. That's a nice card. Very cool. And a Jose Canseco. And a Michael Kopech. Rookie card. Cool. I think he's got Tommy John. Didn't he get Tommy John? Is that Kopech or is that somebody else? Yeah. Okay. Carlos Santana. Thor. Paul DeYoung. Will Clark. Ernie Banks. Like a black border. Goat. What a goat card. God, look at him. Big dog on campus. Ken Griffey Jr. Michael Conforto. And Yachty. 6 packs left. We're cruising. hoping for a good auto. Carlos Carrasco, he's got diagnosed with leukemia, so I'm wishing him the best of luck. The Dark Knight, Garrett Cole, who just hit 200 Ks, I think, yesterday. Tommy Pham, Mitch Haniger. Oh, wow. Well, that's a pretty good auto, I'd say. That's a Max Muncy. Look at that. What a beautiful card. It's numbered. Not numbered, excuse me. But, wow. I was kind of worried. The first auto was definitely not the best. It was okay. And I was concerned about the second auto. This is definitely a solid one for sure. A really solid player. I think he got named an All-Star this year, too. Let me get focused on that. Cool. And Max Kepler. And Reggie Jackson. Cool. Okay, so the last 5 passes just for the kicks and giggles, I guess. Hideki Matsui, wow, GOAT. 2000s Yankee GOAT. Luis Castillo, Edgar Martinez, Hall of Famer. So who haven't we gotten? I haven't gotten Lee Smith. I haven't gotten Lucina. I haven't gotten Harold Baines. Maybe get one of them before it's all said and done. Ichiro, Aaron Nola, Brian Buxton, Warp Speed, insert. Mel Ott, Matthew Boyd. Cool. All right. Mariano Rivera. Cool. Corey Kluber, Cole Calhoun, Shin Shu Tu, Felipe Vasquez. There's a Yuli Gurriel, red border, red parallel. GOAT, Vlad Guerrero Jr. rookie card. What a great card, man. God, nice. I think that this is the first like standalone Vlad card I've gotten all year. Is this one? Because I think the one I got before this was like one of those Bowman like AAA, single, AA, AAA like cards, and he was featured on it. But yeah, Ernie Banks again, Mo Rivera again. Cool. Cool, man. Josh James, Travis Shaw, Jermaine Marquez, Kyle Freeland, Chris Archer, Trevor Bauer, Embers of the Zone, insert card. Harmon Killebrew once again. Joey Votto again, too. Alright. 2 packs left. We're nearing the end of the road. Trevor Bauer. Brooks Robinson. Miles Straw. Willie Calhoun. Pete Alonso. Probably about to be the NL Rookie of the Year. Derek Jeter. Insert. Scene Team. Nice card. Yohan Moncada again, and Mitch Haniger again. Alright, this is it. Let's see. Any ball here. Oh, Mike Trout auto right here. Below the styrofoam. I wish. Gotta do something. Alright. Matt Olson. Jeff McNeil having a great year. Ozzie Smith doing a backflip like a crazy man. Look at that. Wow, that's nuts. Jim Palmer. Todd Helton Power Zone rookie card. Yuli Gurriel again. Don Mattingly. And the final card of the box is a Francisco Mejia. Cool. Alright, so let's find the autos one more time, if we can. There's the first. And the second is somewhere. Here you go. Alright. So here they go. Autos of the box. Okay. Pretty good. Hit-wise, I mean, not amazing. But you got a lot of cards. Great inserts, good rookies. Love the design of the card. So I would say, for the most part, a pretty successful box. Oh, it says right here, 1 insert parallel card per pack. Didn't know that. Okay. So that is Topps Stadium Club 2019 baseball. That's the box. It's been a year of card fever. Still got the fever stronger than ever. So if you're still sticking around with us through all this, I just want to say thanks. I don't know what we got next. Should be something good. But that's all I got for you right now. And I'm going to sign off and keep the fever going, okay? Thanks.